If you're creating a paperback output from Scrivener 3 for Windows, you might want to think about this before deciding on your title styles. When you take your book into Microsoft Word, you will have to create a table of contents there. This involves making the titles into a style, and if your titles are all in caps, then the table of contents elements will be in caps too. That's probably not what you want. So what's the most time-efficient solution for this? Well, create your titles in title case in Scrivener, but do all the other formatting you need, such as font, bold, alignment, etc. Then, when you create your title style in Microsoft Word, which you will have to do to create a table of contents, specify all caps there. This will keep your titles in caps on the page, but the underlying text was created using title case, so you will have them in title case in the table of contents. And as for table of contents, next time we'll be talking about producing a customized one of these in an ebook.